Hello, my name is Mario Bosch with Clean Cut Landscape of Metairie. We're over here at a house that we completely renovated the entire front lawn and landscape. We ripped out all the old shrubbery. They had pretty much all weeds in the grass. We trimmed the oak trees to get a little bit more sunlight in the front, which was the initial issue with nothing really growing good. We redesigned the landscape. So basically what we did is we left the existing crepe myrtles at the ends to accent the corners. Right here at this corner, we got some blue agapanthus, lily of the Nile. We have some dwarf Japanese yew Pringles towards the back. That'll grow into a nice hedge. You got some wintergreen boxwoods to border it all out. You got some shishi camellias and caladiums to fill it in. Right here by the door, we put some caladiums in the pots. Everything came out really good. We also added some nice antique bronze path lights, which look really, really good at night. But as you can see, the landscaping had a huge impact on this house. The customers are really happy, and I will post some before pictures of when it was a muddy mess. But now everything's green and looking really, really good. So if you need your landscaping done properly and you want a nice design, give Clean Cut Landscape of Metairie a call at 415-1438, or you can visit us at cclanddesign.com. Have a good day.